If you speak these three words to a woman, she feels an irremediable pull towards you. Have you ever found yourself at a loss on how to keep a woman's attention? You may have tried to impress her with expensive gifts, flaunted material possessions, or even stooped to agree with everything she says, none of which seem to work. If this rings a bell for you, do not worry because you are among many men. Many men go astray because they believe the external factors are what attract the opposite sex, wealth or a certain appearance. But the reality is far removed from this. What if I told you that the secret to instantly sparking attraction comes down to just three simple words? Sounds a bit unbelievable, but trust me, when applied correctly, these three words will create an immediate, undeniable connection between you and any woman. In today's video, I'll do not only reveal these three magic words, but I also explain why they work, how to use them, and when to say them in order to have the maximum effect. So, if you really want to improve your interactions and make a good impression, stay with me until the very end of this video. By the time you finish this video, you will have received a powerful weapon that can change your dating life forever. Why most men fail to attract the women they want. Before I spill the three magic words, let's first set the record straight on the big lie that stops most men in their tracks. The biggest lie men use as a tactic for attracting women is that it depends on how great they look, how much they act like money, or using generic flattery. Physical attraction is just one piece of the puzzle. Women are not attracted to men for their money or status. Instead, what captivates them is a man's ability to show confidence, clarity, and decisiveness. These are the qualities that create emotional and psychological attraction, far more powerful than any superficial trait. Unfortunately, many men seem insecure or indecisive. They seem hesitant, asking questions like, "So, what do you want to do?" or never leading a conversation. That's just too passive for women. Women need to feel some direction and leadership from a man, not some man who seems to need them to decide for him. And this is where the three magic words come in. The three words that instantly change the game. The words are simple. You and me. On first glance, they seem ordinary. But when used correctly, they deliver a powerful message that instantly draws in the eye of a woman. Let's break down exactly why these words work so well. Why you and me works like magic. When you say you and me, you convey three fundamental qualities that every woman finds attractive. Certainty, you know what you want, and you articulate it clearly. Commitment, you are decisive. You are straightforward in your pursuit. Leadership, you take control. You wait for her and let her start. These traits of certainty and commitment and taking leadership will certainly evoke attraction automatically because they carry a message that says you feel confident. Confidence, above anything else, is what women, both biologically and psychologically, are wired to respond to. The four pillars of you and me. The phrase you and me encompasses four qualities that make it irresistible to women. Interest. It expresses a real interest in connecting without appearing needy. Respect. It shows that you value her presence and are willing to take the initiative. Attraction. It projects confidence, which is one of the most attractive qualities a man can have. Initiative. It shows that you are a leader, not a follower. Now, let's see how to use these words in real-life situations to make the most impact. How to use you and me in different situations. 1. Starting a conversation. If you are meeting a woman for the first time, instead of going for awkward small talk or generic questions, use you and me to set the tone with confidence. For instance, instead of asking, "So, do you come here often?" say, "You and me must know each other better. You and me will have an interesting conversation today." This approach kills hesitation and immediately creates interest. She'll be interested in you, and she won't mind a conversation. 2. Asking her out. Most men make the error in asking a female out in a very uncertain or ambiguous manner. Phrases such as "if you want," "maybe we could go out sometime," are weak and almost indecisive. Instead, be bold. "You and me are going out this weekend. You and me should have dinner on Friday." This type of statement signals confidence and creates anticipation. Women are more likely to say yes when they sense that you're a man who knows what he wants. 3. Strengthening an existing relationship. Even in a committed relationship, you and me remains a powerful tool for keeping attraction alive. Instead of always leaving decisions up to her, take the lead. You and me are planning something special this weekend. You and me are going to make unforgettable memories together. These words strengthen your bond and give her the feeling that she is secure and valued in the relationship. The right way to deliver you and me. Words themselves are powerful, but the manner of delivery makes a big difference. The following are 3 key factors to remember. Confidence. Say it with a firm and steady voice. Eye contact. Look her in the eyes while saying it to connect. Casual tone. Be natural and relaxed, not too serious or robotic. Why this works beyond romantic contexts. The beauty of you and me is that it's not just useful in dating. You can use it in everyday interactions to strengthen relationships with friends, colleagues, and family members. With a coworker, you and me can handle this project together. With a friend, you and me should catch up more often. With a business partner, you and me are going to create something great. By incorporating these words into your conversations, you'll notice that people respond more positively to you, and your overall social presence will improve. Final challenge. Try it yourself. Now that you know the strength of you and me, I have a challenge for you. Use these words in 3 different interactions today, whether with a friend, a coworker, or someone you're interested in, and see how they react. I guarantee that when used correctly, you and me will help you build stronger, more meaningful connections in all areas of life. The transformation starts now. We have reached the end of this video, but your transformation is just beginning. You and me are more than just words. They represent a mindset of confidence, clarity, and authenticity. If you found this video valuable and want to keep learning how to improve your social skills, boost your confidence, and attract the right people into your life, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Like this video and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. See you in the next video.